Need to record a Zoom meeting so you can watch it later or share it with others. Zoom makes recording simple, but the available options depend on your account type and your permissions. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to record a Zoom meeting in 2026. So let's get started. First, start a Zoom meeting as the host or join a meeting where the host has given you permission to record. If you don't have recording permission, the record button may be unavailable or grayed out. Next, look for the record button on the meeting toolbar. Depending on your Zoom plan and account settings, you may see options for recording to your computer or to the cloud. Yeah, some recording features are only available with eligible paid Zoom plans. Click Record and choose your preferred recording option if you're prompted. Zoom will notify everyone in the meeting that recording has started. This notification helps participants know the meeting is being recorded. While recording, you can pause or resume the recording at any time using the controls on the meeting toolbar. If you only need to capture part of the meeting, these controls can be very useful. When you're finished, click Stop Recording or simply end the meeting if you're the host. Zoom will begin processing the recording automatically. Processing may take a few minutes depending on the length of the meeting. For local recordings, Zoom will usually open the folder containing your recording after processing is complete. If you recorded to the cloud, you can access the recording from your Zoom account online. So your recording is now ready to watch, edit, or share, and that's how to record a Zoom meeting. Whether you're saving a lesson, documenting a meeting, or creating training material, Zoom's recording feature makes it easy to keep a copy for later. Always make sure you have permission to record and let participants know when recording is active. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.